Put your African black soap known as Alata Semena or Anago Semena in Ghana and Dudu Osun in Nigeria into a spacious basin and crush it into pieces. Of the benefit of African black soap is it helps clear acne and eczema. It cleanses and exfoliates the skin. It reduces hyperpigmentation and it is safe for all skin types. Turmeric protects the skin against sun damage. Turmeric reduces the appearance of stretch marks. It also reduces dark circles, helps treat acne, protect the skin against sun damage, and so many more. Ghana Ozone Colored Soap helps maintain your skin clean and healthy. And I decided to use pink and green, and you can decide to use any color of your choice too. I'm cutting the colored ozone soap into pieces with a knife, and you can use a grater to grate it too. Crush your 3 days whitening balls into pieces. Crush your anti-pimples balls. Add clean water to your black soap, and please remember not to add too much water, else your black soap base will become watery. Make sure you mix all your ingredients very well for better incorporation. Okay, so now I will leave it to soak for 2 to 3 days because it helps to soften the soup for easy production. Wow, here is our result after leaving it soaked for 3 days. See how fluffy and soft it looks. From our soap base, we can produce toning black soap, whitening black soap. Please don't forget to like and share.